जय हिंद एवरीवन, वेलकम यू ऑल एट DDA Merchant Navy Wing। जैसे कि आप जानते हैं कि IMUCT with company sponsorship DDA Merchant Navy Wing has been preparing the students। यहाँ जितने भी स्टूडेंट्स आते हैं पिछले ईयर्स में, जिन बच्चों ने यहाँ से IMUCT एग्ज़ाम निकाला, कंपनी स्पॉन्सरशिप ली, presently they have been taking the admissions in DG Marine institutions, IMU affiliated colleges for the DNS, BSc Nautical Science and BTech Marine। यहाँ बहुत सारे सेलेक्शंस जैसे कि आप जानते हैं कि हुए हैं। कई बच्चे, we can say proudly, the numbers of DDA students of Merchant Navy Wing serving in world-class shipping companies on completion of their pre-sea trainings। और बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पर मिलने के लिए आते हैं। दिस इज़ अ प्राउड फीलिंग। आज हमारे साथ एक स्टूडेंट्स हैं हमारे प्रीवियस ईयर में यहाँ पर दून डिफेंस अकेडमी में थे, सिद्धांत। ही इज विजिटेड हियर टुडे एंड ही गॉट द कंपनी स्पॉन्सरशिप विद एंग्लो। He has cleared the IMUCT in good rank. Now he is proceeding for his Diploma Nautical Science course from August 2026. First of all, welcome to the Siddhant.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, welcome
Thank you,
to Doon Defense Academy, Merchant Navy Wing.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, do you want to share some experience with the students?
Yeah, sir. So, hello everyone. My name is Siddhant. So, last year I didn't have knowledges about forms, what is sponsorship, and about IMUCT. We can say about this field wholly. Then secondly, I came in contact with Kunyal sir, contacted him and he told about sponsorship, what is sponsorship, what are the companies, what is written and how to crack interviews. Then finally this year I made it. I am going with Anglo Eastern and I have qualified with several companies as sponsorship but selected Anglo. It's a very respectful and good company in this career and I am going with this company. And don't wait for the time, so just start the career with this academy as it played a very important role in my mainly interview clearance na. Secondly, it in the writtens also, so don't wait for the time, it is now, just start your preparation today and yeah, all the best. Thank you, sir.
Okay, Siddhant, basically work hard, basically a bright career.
Yeah.
We want to see you as the captain.
Thank
Okay,
you, sir.
just do work hard because actually you'll have so many further study
Yes, sir.
of the general navigation, stability, cargo work. Just do your DNS course better way.
Yeah, sir.
So that you will get the good promotion in future.
Yes.
Okay, and quickly you complete your second base, then go for the chief officer, captain.
Yes.
Okay,
Definitely.
and do well. All the best from
Thank you,
behalf of DD Merchant Navy
Thank
Wing.
you, sir.
All the best.
Thank you.
All the best.
Kindly subscribe D-Day YouTube channel and don't forget to press bell icon.